and thank you for tuning in. Today we have a gorgeous Harley-Davidson Road Glide Special up for sale. For the full information on this motorcycle, please check out our website, www.americanclassicmotors.com. You can also give us a call, 610-754-8500. As we can see, vivid black paint is the color. 107-inch Milwaukee 8 engine, 6-speed transmission, 9,782 on the odometer. Condition-wise, this bike is in fantastic shape. I'm not noticing any scratches, nicks, dings, blemishes, flaws of any sort whatsoever. Really, really, really well maintained by the previous owner. Sounds great in person, at least to me, and is loaded with upgrades and extras, as we can see. In case you missed it, again, our website, www.americanclassicmotors.com. You can also give us a call, 610-754-8500. Thank you for watching. We hope to hear from you soon. Have a great day.